Hi guys, I'm Shaun, and this is how you make a slow cooked lamb shoulder with vegetables. So today we've got all of our ingredients in front of us, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this dish. Everything's been pre-cut and ready to go. We've got our lamb shoulder, which is about 1.2 kilos, and we've got our seasonings, which is a mixture of salt, pepper, and a little bit of cumin. And we've got our rosemary, our thyme, and some garlic and olive oil, which we will season the lamb shoulder with. And then we've got our vegetables, a little bit of beef stock to go into the bottom of the pan. That's all we need. Okay, so the first step is we're going to season our lamb shoulder. I'm going to put some olive oil, our seasonings, and rub it all over the lamb. Now it's time to load up our oven dish. We're going to put our half bowl of garlic straight down in the middle, and then we're going to put our carrots down first. We're just going to spread these carrots mainly around the middle because these hold their shape a lot better, and the lamb shoulder is going to sit on top of those. Now what I'll do is I will put our potatoes down. I've left the skin on these. I've just given them a wash. You can peel them if you want to. And our onion, I've left it quite large. This will break down into nothing if you cut it too small. Next up, we will put our celery pieces. So as you can see, I've gone a little bit heavier around the sides, lower in the middle, and that's because the piece de resistance goes straight in the middle. And when that cooks, the lamb fat that comes off of that shoulder will go into that garlic and make some beautiful lamb fat roasted garlic. Now it's time to put our tomato paste and beef stock mixture. Just tip that into each corner, and what will happen is that will just spread out through the bottom of the dish. I might just put a little bit more beef stock into the bottom, just so you can see a nice coverage of beef stock along the bottom of this. Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit of aluminium foil over the top of our lovely roast to help trap some of the moisture in. That'll protect the top of the lamb burning in the oven. This is ready for the oven. Let's put it in. Okay, this is looking really good. I'm just going to transfer this over to this lovely plate I've got here. Here's the lovely garlic that I was talking about earlier. You can see how that's really nicely caramelized and cooked. Now what I'll do is I'll just transfer all of our vegetables over. Here we go, we're almost done here. And there you have it, a beautiful slow cooked lamb shoulder with seasonal vegetables and gravy ready to go. So this lamb shoulder is a fantastic centerpiece for everyone to enjoy. We can just pull the meat off of it and serve it with all these vegetables, and it's just super easy.